Energy is undeniably one of the most critical resources in service and manufacturing industries. It influences the cost of production, delivery of goods or services, and the sustainability of operations. However, the excessive use of energy and its impact on our planet are of great concern. Research predicts that by 2040, energy consumption will increase by 28%. To top it all off, 60% of energy in use today comes from fossil fuels, and this trend is set to continue for at least 2 decades. Our immediate need is to optimize energy use to reduce carbon footprint and curb global warming. To achieve this, we need a way to create visibility into how and where energy is consumed. Introducing the WebNMS Energy Management Solution, which uses Internet of Things technology to measure, monitor, and manage energy patterns. This video case study captures the implementation of this solution in an IT company in India. The objectives of this operation are to gain insights into the energy use of the facility across functions and buildings, and identify opportunities for energy efficiency. Sensors are installed to measure energy consumption from the grid and secondary power sources, such as battery banks and diesel generators. Environmental sensors for temperature and humidity are also installed. These sensors are connected to robust IoT gateways through RS-485 ports. WebNMS EdgeX agent makes these gateways independently intelligent and remotely configurable over the air. The agent resides within the gateways, enabling local decision-making and automation of control actions possible at the edge. The gateways acquire real-time sensor data and transmit it via GSM, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi to the WebNMS's Energy Management Solution server. WebNMS Energy Management Solution provides higher management with detailed reports on energy patterns and adherence to set targets. Data analytics helps identify deterioration in energy efficiency of equipment and the effects of external factors like outside temperature and occupancy levels. This enables proactive maintenance of the facility and aids in identifying and reducing wastage. In this implementation, the energy consumption data of machines and assets, as well as cooling, lighting, and specific utility functions across the campus are now available in real time in a unified system. Energy profiling enables pinpointing energy-intensive functions. Among all the functions, cooling systems emerged at the top as the major consumer of energy. Optimizing cooling with the help of temperature data has helped the organization save energy. Fuel for backup power systems is another area where accountability and visibility were lacking. But now with automated alerts in the energy management solution, refueling is managed effectively. This system not only improved energy efficiency, it also significantly reduced OpEx and manpower requirement by enabling demand-based maintenance interventions. Join hands with WebNMS Energy Management Solution as we work towards a greener future.